Today I'm going to explain the difference between 기대하다 and 기대되다. Let's get started. So first, 기대하다, it goes with 을 particle as an object particle, and it's used in progressive, past, and future tense only, but not in present tense. It just sounds strange. It doesn't mean it's grammatically wrong, but it just sounds strange. That's not how people say. Okay. So, for example, progressive tense, 내일 콘서트를 기대하고 있어요. In present, progressive tense. And past tense also, 오늘 콘서트를 많이 기대했는데 실망했어요. And future tense, 내일 데이트를 기대할게요. Yes. So in three tenses, it's used. But in present tense, 저는 새로운 학기를 기대해요. I mean, people will still understand what you're saying, but it just sounds strange. That's not how people use this 기대하다. Okay. And the other one, 기대되다. The first difference is the object particle 이가, not 을을. 이가 is used and often used in present tense, unlike 기대하다. So it's 기대돼요. 이가 기대돼요. 저는 내일 콘서트가 많이 기대돼요. I'm looking forward to the concert tomorrow very much, or I'm excited about the concert tomorrow. This 이가. Okay. So to sum it up again, 을을 기대하다, progressive, future, and past. It's okay. And 이가 기대되다, present tense, right? 이가 기대돼요. Okay. And 기대하고 있어요, progressive tense, and 기대돼요. Same meaning. So 을을 기대하고 있어요, or 이가 기대돼요. Same meaning. So 저는 내일 여행을 기대하고 있어요, or 저는 내일 여행이 기대돼요. Same, more or less the same. Okay. And another example, 기대하다 could also mean to expect. Okay, to expect something. So, but 기대되다 is never used as the meaning to expect. Okay, that's also another difference. For example, 부모님은 저한테 너무 많은 것을 기대하고 있어요. In progressive tense, my parents expect too much from me. So in this case, expecting something, not really looking forward to, but expecting something from someone. 부모님은 저한테 너무 많은 것을 기대하고 있어요. But we don't really say 부모님은 저한테 너무 많은 것이 기대돼요. Because 기대되다 is never used as the meaning to expect. Alright? 기대되다, on the other hand, could also mean either to be excited, can't wait, or look forward to. For example, 다음 주 여행이 정말 기대돼요. I can't wait for the trip next week. 내일 저녁 영화관 데이트가 정말 기대돼요. I'm really excited about the date at the movie theater tomorrow night. This. I can't wait. I'm really looking forward to. I'm really excited. Then you can use 기대되다. But also in this case, you gotta use 이가 particle as an object particle. 이가 plus 기대되다. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button.